How you doing, sir? Officer Berskin, Sarasota Police Department. You're on audio and video recording. The reason for the stop, you were observed going 57 and a 40, and you were on your phone texting while you were doing that. That was at Euclid and Fruitville.
Just call the chief, how's that?
Go right ahead, sir.
The incident occurred in Sarasota, Florida, on February 14th, 2022. Officer Julia Berskin noticed a car speeding while she was on patrol. The driver was also using a phone while driving. Therefore, she asked the driver to stop the car.
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing, sir? Officer Berskin, Sarasota Police Department. You're on audio and video recording. The reason for the stop, you were observed going 57 and a 40, and you were on your phone texting while you were doing that. That was at Euclid and Fruitville.
You don't need to point at me, officer.
I'm not pointing at you, I'm pointing in the direction where it was.
I'll just call the chief, how's that?
Go right ahead, sir.
The driver is Martin Hyde, who is preparing to run for Congress in Florida. He was born in England and was a former soccer player. After settling in the U.S., he founded a company specializing in office furniture trading and began actively participating in political activities in 2019.
Can I see your license?
Right?
Yes, sir, I do. Can I see your license, registration, insurance, please?
You can do this?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry? I still have a job to do, sir.
Yeah, for me. What's your name?
Officer Berskin, it's going to be on the citation. Can I see your insurance, registration, and your license, please? Sir, can I have your paperwork, please? 7 years, sir. Can I see your registration, please? You're not going to give me your registration, sir.
You arrest me?
I'm asking you if you're going to produce me with your registration. You don't have it on you?
Look, go call the chief. Tell him how rude you just been to me. Play with this video.
Okay.
Then you call Marlon Brown. Then you call the mayor.
Okay.
They're not okay, though. I'm telling you what to do.
Okay, sir. Are you refusing to produce your registration?
The vehicle registration card needs to be updated once a year. After paying the relevant fees and completing the vehicle inspection, the DMV will issue a new registration card and inspection sticker.
I'm asking you if you have your registration.
You're making career decisions.
Okay, sir.
Doing this?
When stopped by the police, vehicle registration papers are required to be presented. From here, we can sense that Hyde doesn't want to cooperate with the can sat new at all.
Sir, because you were speeding and you were texting.
Says what? Where's your video?
All right.
The officer realized that Hyde did not want to cooperate, so she did not want to continue arguing. She directly went back to the car to write the tickets. Then she gave 3 tickets to Hyde.
Call the supervisor. I just spoke to your boss.
Okay.
That's not okay.
You want your paperwork?
Is it your Russian immigrant status that makes you talk to people like this?
At this moment, Hyde directly attacked the CSS's immigrant status. This kind of discrimination is very serious in the United States. In fact, the CSS is a Latvian-American citizen. Does Hyde perhaps have some affection for Russia?
14 dispatch, can you have my supervisor respond, please?
Yeah. And then we'll see who goes.
Okay. You don't want your paperwork?
6142, can you be 51 to Great Bell
You
Street?
don't have a warrant.
Sir, you're going to be
I'm not
issued a
interested in
citation.
anything you have to say. I'll wait for the supervisor.
You can wait for the supervisor, but I'm going to go through what I need to go through.
No, I'm not interested.
You are going to be issued a
There's
citation.
the registration.
Well, you've been already issued a citation for that.
For what?
For failing to produce your registration.
Right.
All right. Sir, you're going to...
Stupid.
Hyde may have been so angry that he called the police stupid and repeatedly threatened her with losing her job. He even used the content of the call with the department director to insult her directly. From here, it also shows that the bishop and Hyde are actually on the same side.
And it will reduce your points. If you decide to go ahead and do that, just make sure you do it prior to submission of
You know
payment.
what? You know what he said about you? You want to hear what he said about you?
He could say all he wants about me. I got a job to do, sir.
You know what he said about
Okay.
you?
If you
He said
fail
he's
to
had you
complete...
before like this.
Okay.
And he's going to have you again.
Or maybe it was just Hyde's own words, we have no way of knowing. The female police officer suppressed her anger and did her job.
And that's fine.
It's not fine. Why do you keep saying it's fine?
Sir,
I'm a law-abiding citizen, and you're being bloody rude to me.
If you decide to go ahead and do the court, just make sure you do it prior to submission of payment, as they do
You think you're winning?
require a certificate of completion. If you sign up for it, you must complete it. Otherwise, they will go ahead and suspend your license. You are going to be issued a citation for texting and driving. Okay?
At this time, Hyde saw that the police did not listen to him, so he directly took out his phone with the case containing the content of his election to the National Assembly to show his authority.
You are going to be issued a citation for texting and driving. Your fine is $116. Information in the back. You're going to have an option to plead guilty and an option to plead not guilty. You are going to be issued a citation for failure to provide your registration upon request. Your fine is $116. Information in the back. You can plead guilty or not guilty.
You're lying.
Green paper.
Give them the citation.
Green paper tells you you have 30 days to repay.
Why are you lying?
You have 30 days to reply.
Why are you lying?
Your payment options are on the green form.
Simple question. Why are you lying?
Phone number on the bottom in case you have any questions. When my supervisor comes, I'll wait for him with you if you like me to. Your citations are over here. You can accept them. I will wait. I will wait, but I will wait in my car. There you go.
Looking at this scene, I can feel that the female police officer is facing a lot of grievances and pressure. She just wanted to go back to the car to calm down and avoid being influenced by Hyde. She can make no mistakes when facing the powerful Hyde.
Sir, step back into your car or stand on the sidewalk so you don't get hit by a vehicle. It's for your safety. 14 right here. Can I have another unit respond? Are you still waiting for a supervisor or are you leaving?
Rangioni's coming down.
Okay. Very good.
By the way, he's a friend of mine.
I'm sorry?
Friends of mine.
Okay.
I'm on my way over there.
You know Pat Robertson, right?
Yes, I do, sir.
Why are you doing this?
Because I have a job to do, sir. Nobody's above the law.
Female police officers demonstrate the basic spirit of a legal country. In Hawaii, no one is above the law. Everyone is equal before the law. This is also the goal that many countries pursue.
No one's above the law. You have to have some degree of respect for law-abiding.
That degree of respect started the moment I walked up to your car, sir.
No. You knew exactly what you were doing and you made a mistake.
If that is your feeling, you are more than welcome to fight the citations in court.
I'll fight the citation. I'll
Okay.
fight your employment.
Okay. You're more than, you're an influential person.
Very.
You can go ahead and do that.
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Why not just say you're sorry?
Because I did nothing wrong, sir. I was doing my job, but I am going to ask you either to sit in your car or step on the sidewalk because I don't want either one of us getting hit. Okay.
O's support colleague then arrived at the scene.
Speeding, 57 and a 40. Texting while driving, failure to produce his registration when I asked. He told me I could look it up.
Okay. You know who he is?
Yes.
Right? Yeah, you got identified him?
Yes.
Okay. So you're just going to stay by beside him, or is that what
He already got cited.
Oh, he has already
Yeah.
the citation. So he just...
From the moment I walked up.
So he's just waiting for...
He's waiting for supervisor, and I guess he spoke to Frangione, so Frangione is on his way.
Okay.
Bobby just pulled up.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Hyde? I guess you talked to Sergeant Frangione by the phone?
I did, yeah.
Okay, he's on his way. She requested another unit, so that's why another
give
unit.
someone a certificate, ticket for no registration when they've got their registration? She's trying to make her spurs, but it's a big mistake.
Well, this one is the expired one, but
Well, it doesn't make it. It'll take 2 seconds.
yeah.
We're going to make sure that she pays the price for being disrespectful. And I just wanted you to witness and know that, the registration was right there, and she deliberately chose to write the ticket. She came up, she said, look, there's a video of it, so be quiet. There's a video of what you said.
There is.
And I've got a video of what you said. Right? What she said was, I said, I don't have it. She immediately said, I write your citation. She went right back. She never said anything. She went straight back. I denied the citation. She's straight back, right the citation. I've lived here for 25 years. I've represented your unit. I've got no interest in listening to you, young lady.
I was talking to my sergeant. Sergeant, if you don't mind if we could step over off the road onto the sidewalk.
Yeah,
Oh,
just a
it's
second,
public safety
officer.
thing, yeah. Come on then.
Yeah, Mr. Hyde, like I said,
No. I've represented you guys
Yes,
in
sir.
union discussions. My
Yeah.
son is a cop. I'm friends with
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Everybody in the police department, this is the first time anybody has been disrespectful to me. And for what reason? I could care less. If they were going to write me a ticket, I could care less. I just pay the bloody thing. You don't think I got the money? It's the manner and the nature of it.
Okay. And like I said, Sergeant Vangione will be over here to talk to you about her interaction. I'd say
Outrageous. Yeah. Why would you do that? Why? I mean, of all the people to do it to.
Yeah, I understand, sir. And you know, I set you. You know, I've been with the negotiations with you, and I understand where you're coming from.
I don't ask for special treatment, but I don't expect to get treated like a punk.
Let me go talk to her and see.
Well, it's a waste of time.
Yeah.
She's got it in her head. I know exactly who she is. Frangione told me exactly who she is. That's fine. 7 years might not turn into 8.
Then the director arrived at the scene. Let's see the director's body cam.
Stay in your car.
I just wanted to know if you wanted to go back to the station.
You can go to the station. Yep, go to the station. Hey, Martin.
You got that thing on?
Yeah, I have to leave it on.
All right, so here's the thing. She lied about the cell phone thing.
Okay.
She lied about I don't know, the speed. I could care less. You can give me the ticket all day long. I could care less about that. And then I gave her the registration, and she's registration. It's in the car there somewhere. She goes off, she writes me a ticket, she brings me back a citation. I said, there it is.
Okay.
And she still gives me it.
Okay. All right.
She's being fun. And the thing is, I appreciate that.
It can be seen that Mr. Hyde was so angry that he felt hot inside and had to unzip his pants.
I back you guys left, right, and center.
I understand that. I do. Trust me, I do
And
know
I
that.
don't expect better treatment, but I don't expect worse treatment. If that's how you treat people, that's unacceptable.
I understand. I understand your frustration.
And I can get the video and I can play it to the mayor. I understand that, but you know, the thing is, I don't take kindly. She knew exactly, because I said to her, right away, I said, and she's like, yeah, I know. Straight away, writing the tickets. Why?
Well, she's a traffic officer.
Yeah,
that's what we do. But I understand.
I understand that's what she do.
Yeah.
It's not what you do, and you know it.
Listen, she has a job to do. I'm not. Listen, I'm
Not
gonna
that
look
way.
at the. I'm gonna look at the video. I understand your concerns. I'm gonna look at the video. I notified everybody in the chain of command right now. That's what I was doing. That's why I was not coming here. I thought you were gonna meet me at the station, but it's not a big deal. She's going right now to dock her video. Right now, she's going to dock the video. And if there's problems, you will be the first to know.
Well, I know there's problems, but the difference is, I'll do something about it.
Okay, I understand. Yeah, I'm going to take your complaint, is what I'm doing. That's the first step.
You know, how can you write a ticket for no registration when you've got the registration? I mean, as if I get a $150,000 car, I've lived here for 25 years and I don't register a car. Why do that?
Yeah, I understand what you're saying.
Well, you tell me what the point is.
It's just a state statute that she enforces. She's not the only traffic officer
Would
that
you
writes.
give a ticket for that?
I really don't leave the office. I understand what you're saying.
I understand you have a video on there, but the fact is, nobody in their right mind would give a ticket for that to me. Nobody.
I understand what you're saying, and you producing it, she probably should have taken that ticket away, but I'm going to find out what exactly occurred.
Because she had a bee in her bonnet because she thought she was on a big power trip. Guess what? She's been there 7 years. She ain't going to make 8.
Behind the videos, it can be seen that when standing in front of police cameras, everyone avoids talking about sensitive topics. Only Hyde was not afraid. He seemed to think that his strength could cover the sky with one hand.
I'll make sure.
Well, I'll get going on.
She ain't.
All right, listen, that's your prerogative. I want to get
This
started.
is not right, Emily.
Okay, I
It's not
understand.
right. You don't treat people that have treated and supported you like that.
I understand where you're coming from. I do.
Bare minimum of respect is yes sir, no sir. Not a word of it.
These are all blatant lies. Let's review the polite words the female police officer said to Hyde.
How you doing, sir? Officer Berskin, Sarasota Police.
Sir, step back into your car or stand on the sidewalk so you don't get hit by a vehicle. It's for your safety.
Straight off, talking to me like I'm a piece of dirt. Get back in your car. Which is she's standing, she's got her car door open. and I'm leaning against here talking to someone. Okay? So, in the case that you get hit by traffic, just being difficult. Okay? Just being cocky.
I understand. I do understand where you're coming from.
But it isn't. It's a bad interaction.
Yeah, it definitely seemed like it was.
How difficult is it to come to me and say, you do it 57, give us your license and your registration? Why get into immediately like that when she knew exactly who she was talking to? If that's how, no wonder you got people shooting people in Newtown if that's how you talk to people.
At this time, Martin Hyde's words touched the bottom line of the American police. He blamed the police for the shootings in America. The supervisor's attitude now became serious.
All right, Martin, I'll talk to you later.
And writing tickets when someone's actually got the physical stuff, you tell me that's me.
I understand. I do. All right, I'll talk to you later.
Then the supervisor turns off the sound. Police officers are required to turn on video recording during law enforcement, and they can legally turn it off. After the law enforcement was completed, Martin Hyde, who ran for Sarasota Council in 2019, but was ultimately beaten up for alleged racism at an exclusive private sports club, he shouted an order to the young man, "Go mow my lawn," to a young Hispanic man who was playing tennis, but he was just a customer.
Yeah? Call the police, bro. We're calling the police. That's racism. Yeah? That's racism, man. How can you say something like that? Aren't you human? Aren't you human? Aren't you human, man?
It's a private club, get out.
Aren't you human?
I know, I'm going to have a walk. Out and never let back in.
Yeah. Doing that right now. Out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. That's stupid. That's racism. I know. That's racism.
These things were thrown out of the club. I'm a member of the club. These kids are not.
But you
wanted them thrown out.
you're telling me to cut grass because I'm Hispanic.
I didn't say that.
You said cut some grass, man.
Yes. So what?
How wonderful.
So what?
Below is a news clip of Hyde's interview after the abuse of power incident with the female police officer.
You threatened her position. Why did you do that?
I tried to bully her. I mean, I'm not proud of it. She knew. And if you watch the video, the other cops, when they came up and said, you know who that is too. And the reason they said that isn't because I'm important, but because they know I've spent hundreds of hours working on behalf of causes for Sarasota Police Department, for its pay, for officers' discipline, to help them out. And therein lies the irony. My own son, my oldest son, is a deputy sheriff. And so this isn't a question of Martin Hyde disliking cops. This is a question of Martin Hyde being in a ratty mood on a Monday morning and acting in a way that he regrets. But I am sorry. And I'd like to think that I'll learn from it. I'd like to think other people might learn something from it too. While I'm sorry and while I accept that it shouldn't have happened, there are many, many worse things that happen all over the world every single day. And part of the reason I'm running is to make sure that we live in a better world. So,
American public opinion continues to stir. One police body camera video alone has reached 25 million views on YouTube. Hyde also lost the election in the party's primary by a huge margin of 13% to 86%. Hyde's YouTube channel also received a lot of attacks right after he uploaded the videos. Public opinion demanded that he apologize and stop participating in any political activities. What do you think about the goal that no one is above the law that the female police officer mentioned in the case? Please express your opinion for discussion in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Until the next time.